Hi guys, welcome back to the channel, and today I'm on board of the brand new motorcycle from keeway. They call it the first one from their premium range, the MBP. It's what they call the premium range, and it's the M502. And you can see it's a major upgrade from the previous models from keeway. Everything here looks premium. The motorcycle has a really nice design. Engine, it's good, and it's their way to get in this segment, the 500, 600, 700 cc's, and they are starting really well with this naked motorcycle. Again, it's a naked motorcycle. I'm on a highway, okay. I'm not pushing the motorcycle too much because it only has 366 kilometers, so I am not allowed to rev it too much, but I can tell you that 120 it can go fine. It can go a little bit more than that, but again, being a naked, you'll catch all the wind in your chest and everything. I'm just gonna push it until the 120, and you can see how easy it can reach those speeds, okay. It's really easy to reach those speeds without any effort, which means I can travel with it, I can commute from home to work, I can do everything I need with this beautiful motorcycle. If you don't know, the group that owns keeway, it's the same group that owns the Benellis. And also this motorcycle will be available in two colors in my country, at least I know. It's this one, the white, and the black version. Those are things that I think that are important to let you know. Another thing, it's the power of this motorcycle. It's on the limit for the A2 license, so it's around 47.5 horsepower. And if you are looking for a motorcycle and you have the A2 license, I think you have here a really nice option. The price will be down on the description or in the end of the video, and it's a premium price. Also, you know, it's a premium compared to the other brands. It's close to the other brands, major brands on the market, but we are talking about Bosch, we are talking about suspensions from Kayaba, we are talking Pirelli tires, so J1 clippers, so everything has quality in this motorcycle. It's not like the 125s or the ones where they were known before, where they try to do it most affordable as possible. This one, it's a premium motorcycle, and you feel it as a premium motorcycle, and it gives you pleasure riding this motorcycle. At least for me, it's giving me pleasure. Everywhere you look, everything looks good. Let me just start here with the levers, adjustable. Then we have passing lights, high beams, low beams, hazard lights, blinkers, and the horn, the kill switch, the lights for the motorcycle, and the starter of the motorcycle on the other side. The mirrors, they do have good visibility for the side, 80% on each one, and I do like this dashboard, where we do have all the information that you need, but I do think it is too small. So we have the battery voltage, the fuel level, RPMs, the speed that we are, the clock, and then we can change for the range. On the other side, the engine temperature, the gear indicator, an odometer, and the trip. And basically those are the things that we have. Another thing, we have the day panel and the night panel. So if I press here, you will see it will change for black, so it's the night, and now it's coming back to the day. So simple dashboard, but all the information that you need. I just think it's too much condensed, and sometimes it's difficult to read. Suspensions, I do like the suspension of the motorcycle. Again, top brands here on this motorcycle. Rear suspension is adjusted in preload. The brakes from J1. As you know, J1 it belongs to, it was bought by Brembo recently. They were good, and they continue to be good. Again, this is a motorcycle with only 384 kilometers now. They didn't settle quite nice yet. They would need a little bit more time, but they work just fine with these discs on the front and everything. It's a really nice and interesting brake. We do have really nice seats on this motorcycle. Again, nice, because this is a naked motorcycle. In the naked category, for me, they are okay. I could do like 100 kilometers with this motorcycle, and then I would have to rest and change the position, and because I'm not used to this. I'm used to more comfortable seats. I ride other kinds of motorcycles, but for a naked motorcycle I do not complain about anything. I like the foot peg position. It's a naked, it's a little bit down. It's not it's a sportive naked, but the foot position, it's down. It's not higher where my legs would be here touching the tank, so that is fine. Talking about tank, nothing is hitting the tank on the edges, which I like very much, and I am a tall guy. So overall it is a nice a nice bike from Keeway that I think you should take in consideration and take a look at it. Having said this, let's take a look at the specs. Where here on the front we do have the lights, everything it's full LED. As you can see, this front optical, it's very similar to the Suzuki GSX S. They, like I said, they pick up some traces from other brands and try to incorporate it. I do like this feature. Suspensions from Kayaba with 41 millimeters and a travel of 150 millimeters. Two discs 300 millimeters with clippers from J1. ABS from Bosch, and it comes equipped with the 17 inches rims with the Pirelli Angel GT dimensions 120/70. In the rear of the motorcycle we can start with this nice seat. It's one piece, but it is comfortable enough, at least for the rider. For the pillion, I don't know, but it looks okay. The lights, everything, it's LED, following the same at the front. Suspension, which is adjusted in preload. One disc 240 millimeters with clippers from J1, ABS from Bosch, and also has a 17 inches rim, again equipped with the Pirelli Angel GT, on this case 160/60. The engine that comes with this motorcycle, it's 2-cylinder, liquid cooled, 486 cc's, 48 horsepower at 8,500, 45 Newton at 6,750. We are talking about an Euro 5 engine, and it comes with a 6-speed gearbox. Regarding the seat height, 790 millimeters, so everyone will reach the floor on this motorcycle. As you can see, it's not difficult at all. I still have a really nice bend on my knees. I'm 1.85 m, so 1.70 m it will be okay. 195 kilograms total weight of the motorcycle. It's very agile, very nimble in the middle of the traffic, and we do have here a 17 liters fuel tank, which on this motorcycle should give you a range about 350-400 kilometers. It's going to depend how you treat the throttle and how much fun you want to have with it. Regarding the handlebar, the dashboard and all these buttons, I already talked to you while I was riding, and with that in mind, I really hope that you like this presentation of the keeway M502. I think it's a really good option, premium quality, premium materials, affordable price, and I want to ask you, please don't forget to subscribe to the channel, click the notification bell, follow my other networks, and I really hope I can see you in the next one. Bye!